Why do 90% of home chefs miss out on these genius kitchen hacks? Today, we're diving into some mind-blowing cooking hacks you didn't know existed. First up, ever struggle to peel garlic? Just pop the cloves in a jar, shake it like you mean it, and voila! Perfectly peeled garlic in seconds. Next, let's talk about herbs. Freeze them in olive oil using an ice cube tray. Instant flavor bombs for your soups and stews. Got leftover wine? Freeze it in ice cube trays too. Great for adding a splash to your sauces without opening a new bottle. And for the ultimate pancake hack, use a squeeze bottle to make fun shapes and avoid the mess. These little tricks can save you time and make cooking even more fun. So, which hack are you trying first? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to hit that like button for more awesome tips. Happy cooking!